Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to God Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे गौहर इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 7 का यूनिट नंबर 8 एंड द टाइटल ऑफ यूनिट इज एप्रिशिएटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ अ लेबर। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज। नाउ अब हमारे पास कॉन्सेप्ट है फैक्ट एंड ओपिनियन का। फैक्ट बेसिकली किसी ऑब्जर्वेशन या रिसर्च के ऊपर बेस्ड होता है। फैक्ट बेसिकली वो चीज़ होती है जिसको प्रूव किया जा चुका होता है कि ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है, जबकि ओपिनियन आपके पास एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो कि किसी की फीलिंग, किसी की राय या किसी का अपना ख्याल होता है। जैसे कि आई थिंक इट इज़ गोइंग टू रेन नाउ। अब इसी तरीके से हमारे पास कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिसको हम देखेंगे और बताएंगे कि आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि ये फैक्ट है कि ओपिनियन। नाउ आइडेंटिफाई ईच स्टेटमेंट एज अ फैक्ट और एन ओपिनियन, टिक द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। नाउ Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the first Governor General of Pakistan. Fact. The scientific name of the domestic cat is Felis catus. It's fact. I think cats makes the best pet. ये ओपिनियन है। यंग कैट्स आर कॉल्ड किटन्स, ये फैक्ट है। द स्लाइड इज द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग पार्ट ऑफ द प्ले ग्राउंड, इट्स ओपिनियन। मॉस्किटोज आर मोस्ट इनोइंग इंसेक्ट, ये ओपिनियन है। फुटबॉल इज बेटर दैन क्रिकेट, ये भी ओपिनियन है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ बाउलिंग ball has 3 holes in it, ये फैक्ट है। Now read the following paragraph and answer the question. The Simpsons is a famous cartoon series about a typical American family. Homer Simpson is the father and Marge is his wife. Bart, Lisa and Maggie are their children. Homer is 36-year-old. He is a safety inspector at the Springfield nuclear power station. His hobbies are watching television and eating donuts. He is not a perfect father, but he is a good man. Marge is 34. She has long blue hair. She is fantastic mother, but she doesn't have time for hobbies. Maggie is a baby. Her hobby is watching television. Her sister Lisa is 8. She is an excellent student, very smart and saxophone player. She is a vegetarian. Her brother Bart is very intelligent but very disobedient. He is often found in Principal Skinner's office at Springfield Elementary School. Now, what is The Simpsons? It's option A, cartoon series. Who are Bart, Lisa and Maggie? It's option B, brother and sisters. What is the synonym for the word perfect? It's option A, ideal. What is the antonym of the word active? It's option A, lazy. What is the synonym for the word long? It's A, lengthy. What is the antonym of the word disobedient? It's B, obediently. What is the antonym of the word smart? It's option C, stupid. Now, what is the synonym of the word vegetarian? It's option A, carnivorous. Read the word in the first column and write the number of the syllable of each part. Put A to indicate the syllable in the third column. Now homework, 2 syllable. Homework. Basketball, basketball, 3 syllable. Next हमारे पास है offering, 3. Now next word is bewilderment, 4. Villagers, 3. Farmer, it's 2. Beautiful, it's 4. Elephant, it's 3. Match the idiom with its actual meaning. I am feeling blue, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि I am feeling blue यानी कि I am sad. I am in a pickle, I am in a trouble. Don't give me the cold shoulder. इसका मतलब don't ignore me. That's a piece of a cake. It's mean that is easy. Please give me a hand. इसका मतलब है please help. My eyes are bigger than my stomach. ठीक है? I take more food than I can eat. They have buried the hatchet. Now what does it mean? They have ended a quarrel, यानी कि वो लड़ाई ख़त्म कर चुके हैं। I eat a burger once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon का मतलब होता है कि very rare. So I'm feeling blue, I'm sad, I'm in a pickle, I'm in a trouble. कोल्ड शोल्डर इग्नोर करना, पीस ऑफ अ केक का मतलब है वेरी इजी, और प्लीज गिव मी अ हैंड का मतलब है आई नीड योर हेल्प, आइज आर बिगर देन स्टमक कि मैं ज़्यादा लेता हूँ कम खाता हूँ, हैव बरिड द हैचेड इसका मतलब है झगड़ा ख़त्म करना, और वंस इन अ ब्लू मून का मतलब होता है वेरी रेयर। नाउ मैच द फॉलोइंग प्रोवर्ब्स, अब मैं इसके मीनिंग भी आपको साथ बताऊंगी। नो पेन नो गेन, ठीक है, यानी कि अचीवमेंट्स require some sort of sacrifice. Action speaks louder than word. What a personal actual does is more important than what he said. Now, a stitch in time saved the nine. It is better to deal with the problem at an early stage. Now, Rome was not built in a day. It takes long time to do a job properly. Now, birds of the same feather flock together. People of the same sort usually found together. Now make words with able, and ably. Now, unable, disable, respectable. Next one, invisible, responsible, terrible, acceptable, dependable, tolerably, terribly, possibly, horribly. इसी तरीके से नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं capable, considerable, acceptable, feasible, fungible, cosmetable, inventable, delectably, metastably, credibly, responsibly और feasibly. Now अब हम चलते हैं write a short dialogue between a doctor and a patient in your exercise book with the doctor insisting on a healthy diet to the patient to avoid problem in the future. Now, good afternoon Mr. Smith, I hope you are doing well. Good afternoon doctor. Yes, I am feeling fine, thank you. That's great to hear. I just want to discuss the importance of maintaining a healthy diet. It's crucial for preventing potential health issues in the future. I see. I try to eat healthy, but sometimes it's challenging to stick to a balanced diet. I understand, but making a small, consistent changes can make a big difference. Including more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals can benefit your health in the long run. I will certainly try to become more mindful of what I eat. Do you have any specific recommendations? Absolutely. I would advise reducing the intake of processed food, sugary drinks, and high-fat snacks. Instead, focus on incorporating lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in your meals. Thank you, doctor. I will make an effort to follow your advice. You are welcome, Mr. Smith. Remember, a healthy diet can help you avoid many health problems down the road. If you have any questions or need guidance, feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate your concern, doctor. I'll prioritize my diet from now on. Thank you for the valuable advice. आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा। एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।